All right. Hey, everybody. Welcome to the channel. This is Gaff Digital. On this channel, we do, as I'm sure everybody knows at this point, like every time I open YouTube, there's some new AI that I'm seeing videos for. And like just when you thought that they weren't going to add anything more, there's 1,000 other ones that are out there. I know that there's no way that anybody could ever have time to actually test all of these different AI, and quite frankly, I don't think I really have time to test every single AI. But what I would like to do is try as many as I can, see what they do, see if they're helpful, and also be able to um, just quickly find those sites because a lot of times if you Google anything, like if you're looking for a uh, AI generated video website, there's 40,000 of them out there. So who knows which one is the right one? What I'm going to be doing here on this channel is reviewing different AI services. So anything from building websites, image generation, text to video generation, image to video generation, business tools, research tools. There's a whole host of different things or different AI that are out there now. And I am going to attempt to try every single one of them. Now, again, I'm never going to be able to try all of them, but dang it, I'm going to try. So today, just to kind of get the thing started, my idea was that I'd like to have a website that people can go to and just go through an actual list of the different AIs. So, whether it's, there's different categories, whether the video, image, research, whatever it is, I'd like to have a place that people can just go to the website, open it up and say, what am I looking for? Boom, go find it. So that's what we're going to work on getting set up today. And instead of just setting up the website and then launching the website, I am going to use AI to create that website. So what I'm using today for the creation of that website is a program called, or a website called Lovable. It's lovable.dev. The link will be in the description down below, which I'd already typed out this prompt here. Because I wasn't going to record it. And then I was like, well, I might as well record it. I mean, this is actually also AI, so it's kind of silly not to. So look at this prompt right here. That's what I'm using. I don't know if this prompt will actually work yet because I haven't tried it. So I guess we'll learn it together. But here we go. I have used Lovable in the past to build like other websites, just messing around with it, and it's incredible. I mean, generally speaking, you just tell it what you want, and it gets you pretty dang close to what you're looking at as far as a website goes. Saves you a ton of time having to code the whole thing. A lot of times it'll actually even go through and like if there was an error somewhere, it'll fix the error for you as well. So it's just a huge time saver. I'm a huge fan of Lovable, which there's a couple of other sites that are, I guess, similar to Lovable that I've found. Like I know Bolt is out there. I like Bolt too. Nothing against Bolt, which we'll probably try that as well, once we get rolling as far as AIs go. But I love the idea that you can just plug in like, hey, I've got this idea for a website. Here's what I'm thinking as far as pages, content, whatever. And Lovable just cranks it out for you. And then if they don't like something about it, you can just say, hey, on this spot, so like on page 2, I don't like the background that you chose. Make it XYZ background. You can change it to whatever you want by just typing it into Lovable and hitting free. And I'm not paying for Lovable. Lovable is free right now. So I know that there's a maximum as far as like how many credits or how many prompts that you can give it in a day. But I've never run into a scenario where I ran out. But I mean, I've also not spent a ton of time throughout the day trying to do it. So here we go. So after that first prompt, we got an error. App encountered an error. All we're going to do here is hit try to fix it. And then, which I don't really care what the error was, but all right. Great. That means nothing to me. By the way, I am not a coder. I'm not a techie. I'm none of that. I just know how to spell things and write words. That's all I'm using. I have no idea what the code means or how to even fix it if there was something wrong. Boom. And there we go. Let's take a look. Free AI tool directory. Discover the best free AI tools for your next project. From video creation to app development, we've curated the finest AI power tools available. All right, I'm cool with that. All tools. All right, and then it just gives us a list of tools. Well, I wish that it would have in the images of it. I wish it would have actually. Oh, it did on some. Leonardo, ChatGPT. Okay. It didn't even. I'm on Lovable, and it didn't even. It didn't even include the lovable icon, like that heart. AI and something else. All right, cool. All right, all right. Let's see what this looks like. 3D and design. Great percent 3D. All right. Good choice, Lovable. Sound draw. Some of these I've not even heard of, so I'm kind of interested to try them out. Image generation. Leonardo I have tried. Leonardo.ai. Oh man, that thing is awesome. Leonardo is, that's great. That's really good. Which there's a lot more image generation AI out there, but Leonardo was like one of the first ones that I ever actually tried, just messing around with it. And oh man, it's great. It's absolutely great. Productivity. Oh, cool. Okay. Research and learning, AI-powered search engine for developers' technical questions, text and writing. Obviously, ChatGPT is going to be on there. That's got to be the biggest, the most well-known name out there nowadays as far as AI goes, except for maybe DeepSeek, just because DeepSeek has been the subject of like every single article about AI for what, the last month or so, maybe longer. And then video creation. Cool. All right. So, that's literally how fast Lovable can go. And you know, like I showed you, I put the prompt in. I said, "Hey, this is what I want." It threw out the code, and then it said, "Hey, there's an error." I hit try to fix, and it fixed it. I've never, to be honest with you, any and all times that I've tried to mess with these like Lovable or Bolt things like that, when it pops up with an error and it's like, hey, I can try and fix it, it usually does fix it. So it's pretty good at knowing what it wants to do. I mean, the one thing I guess I would maybe do different on this, just because I hate the white background, is let's say, I like the site, maybe, but can you make it in dark mode? I like the site, but can you make it in dark mode? Here we go. It will not take it long. It'll fix it. Probably. Or maybe not. Just thinking about it. Come on, buddy. I'll help you enable dark mode. Da 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 da. CS. We need to properly engineer dark mode. Default theme. Okay, great. So it knows exactly what I'm asking it to do. It also gives you like a brief explanation as to like what it needs to do. And again, for somebody like me that like I have no experience at all in like coding, building websites. I have no idea. I don't even know what the heck it just said, but I know that what I wanted was that I wanted dark mode, and I set it to the AI, and the AI goes, "I got you," and then they just fixed it. All right, all in dark mode. Not too bad. Yeah, that's not bad. Cool. If there's an AI that you guys think or that you want me to try out, that you'd like me to throw onto the website once we get it 100% fully built, uh, let me know. Drop it in the comments down below. I hope you leave a like on the channel. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel if it is something that you're interested in. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'm out. Bye. My bad. Forgot to actually finish the the making the website. So now that we typed all those prompts in there, we found basically kind of what we're looking for here. Now, obviously, this website's going to be edited at some point. There'll be more things added to it, more descriptions, blah blah blah. But in the meantime, what you would do if you were ready to go ahead and publish this bad boy is you just click publish. It's not that hard. You click publish, it gives you a crazy URL, which I've done this on other websites, that's why I know. But if you hit publish, it's going to give you like a completely random URL, but that website will be live out on the internet. So for now, I'm going to actually leave this unpublished right now because it's just, in my opinion, it's just a lot easier to actually add stuff to the website if it's not already published. It doesn't mean that it's impossible. You can definitely add more stuff to it once it is published, but we'll get to that in a later video. But I just realized that I didn't tell you guys what to do or tell people what to do. Once you actually do have the website built and it's what you're looking for, all you do is hit publish. Now we're done.